So today I'm going to introduce you to my flattening table. I built this a couple of weeks ago. I can accommodate a slab that is about 5.5 feet wide, and the rails currently allow me to go about 13.5 feet. If I had a longer piece, I could flatten one section and then move it along to be able to get a longer piece flattened. I've simply built a table out of 2x6 structural construction grade spruce. The sides are 4-inch by 2-inch channel iron. And right now the sled for the router is 3x1 aluminum with a couple of rods in the center to stabilize the router. This is going to be upgraded. I've found it to be just a little bit flimsy. There's a bit of movement in there that I don't like. I'll be upgrading that to 2x2 by 3/16 angle iron soon. I'll show you the video once I've got that up and going. And for a router, I'm using a DeWalt 3 horsepower router, and it has a Demar spoil board surfacer cutter on it, which I'm very happy with. It produces a nice clean cut, and it has nice inserts that I can give a quarter turn once they get dull, and it's not going to have the high sharpening cost that a traditional router bit would have. Today I'm going to be flattening this piece of maple. It's got quite the crown to it. So right now I've got it set here and it's shimmed, ready for flattening. Now I don't have a dust collection system here, so I don a nice paint suit, my respirator, and hearing protection. I start out by running the sled across the length of the piece, just checking to see where the high spots are. And then I choose the high point, move the router over top of it, and set the depth. And I take roughly a 1/16 to 1/8 off on each pass. So now that I've got the first pass done, I adjust the router, take it about a 1/16 to 1/8 deeper. And start my second pass. Now, I'm going to be running this through a planer afterwards. So I have a good enough surface right now to run through the planer here. I'm going to take my shims out and flip this piece over. And I'll take the high spots off of the other side. Now, because I know there were spots that were hanging down below the surface that I was just doing, I'm not going to adjust my depth. I'm just going to go with the depth of my previous cut. Now, that has that piece of maple done so that it can go through the planer and come out flat, level, and true.